Here's how to fix Windows 10 or 11 stuck on update. Updates are underway. Please keep your computer on. So first you want to click on the Start menu and then search for Troubleshoot Settings and then click on it. Now you want to click on Additional Troubleshooters and then click on Windows Update and then click on Run the Troubleshooter and then wait for it to scan and detect any potential problems with the Windows Update. And in here it should tell you whether there is problems or no, and it should suggest fixes. Now once this is completed, you can close this and then close the settings. Next you want to right click on the taskbar and then open Task Manager and then open Services and then click on Open Services at the bottom. Now in the services list we want to search for Delivery Optimization, which is this service. Double click on it and make sure the startup type is set to automatic and the service status is running. Now if it's stopped, you can click on the start button and then click on apply and OK. Now you want to scroll down to another service called Windows Update, which is this one. Double click on it and set the startup type to automatic as well, and then click on start if the service status is not already running. Now you want to click on apply and OK. Now you can close this window. Now you can close this again and should restart your computer to see if that solves the problem. Otherwise, you will need to right click on the start button and then open the terminal or CMD or PowerShell as admin, which is pretty much the same. Now you will need to run this command, which is sfc /scan now, and press enter and then wait for it to scan the system files and repair any potentially corrupted files. And once that scan is completed, you will need to type the following command as well, which is dism /online /cleanup dash or -image /restore health, and then press enter and wait for it to complete the progress to restore the system health. Now once that is completed, you can close the CMD window and then right click on the start button and then go to settings and then Windows Update. And then you want to click on the Windows Update. And then you want to click on the advanced settings and make sure the updates are not paused and there is no date selected for pausing updates. Now you want to click on delivery optimizations and make sure allow downloads from other PC is enabled and set it to PCs on my local network. And then you want to click on advanced options and make sure there is no limits on the bandwidth and there is no upload settings checked like this. Now you want to go back to the default Windows Update window and then click on check for updates again. And from here it should continue downloading and installing the latest or the last updates that you have your PC stuck on. And it should potentially prompt you to reboot your computer, and that should generally solve the problem. But if you still have the issue persisting, what you can do is reset your computer. So basically you want to type reset in this search bar and then click on reset this PC, and now you want to click on get started, and you want to usually choose between keeping your files and removing everything. But the first option will potentially remove any installed applications as well. So you want to pick one of those options and then continue with this process to reset and perform a fresh install of Windows. And that should solve the issue completely. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.